Hello and welcome to part 2 of upgrading the FY06 here. Now I had to end part 1 a little bit earlier than I had intended to. I had some strain in my thumb and it was really sore. I'm not sure what I did to it, but that's why I stopped that sooner than I had intended to. But now that we're on part 2, today we're going to install all the drive shafts, A-arms, steering knuckles, basically all the parts that I didn't do in the first part. We're going to install now. Also, not for this video, but in the future I am also going to put this 1980 kV motor in. It's a little bit slower than the stock motor, because I do intend to crawl a little bit more with this, so I figured that it would be good to have a slightly slower motor. Let's just get started. Alright, so I was able to get that drive shaft in there, and it does look like it fits good in there. So that's great. Very much happy to see that. As you can see right now, I've got the whole front end taken apart here. Time to install the A-arms. These are way too tight to fit on there. Wow. Alright, well I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to try and figure something out and I'll be back in a second. So I just ended up smacking them on with a hammer and they feel fine now. So they were just initially very tight to get on there, but now they feel good. Let's just continue. So after getting everything on the front installed, there is a little issue that I have run into. Let's see the best way to show this to you guys. There's hardly any clearance between the drive shaft and the A-arm, as you can see up in there. And when you compress the suspension, the drive shaft comes right on and sits on top of the A-arm. You can see right up in there. So I will have to take the A-arms off and Dremel them out just a little bit to get some more clearance. The other thing is you don't get a super amount of movement in the suspension up front here, as you can see. It doesn't really bother me, but it's just something to point out. So there is a couple pieces from the upgrade kit I couldn't use. Like these rear brackets for the suspension, they are designed completely different for the FY06 than the FY03, so I couldn't use these. And something else that I thought was a little interesting, not sure if it'll pick it up on the camera, but these are also different colors. Not sure if you guys can see that, but this one's a lighter blue than this one. Thought that was kind of odd. Definitely different batches. There you go, you should be able to see the color difference there. Hopefully. Anyways, I do have a completely new look for this thing, which I will be posting a video of in a couple days. It'll just be a little quick video showing off the new look. I quite like it, and I hope you guys will too. Well, that's it for this, excuse me. That's it for this part of the update. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.